In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini AI chat in Google Colab. If you're new to this process, don't worry. I'm here to make it easy and beginner-friendly. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by navigating to Google. Simply open up your web browser and type in Google in the search bar. Going to the Google homepage will set the stage for everything we need to do next. Once you're on Google's main page, your next step is to search for Google Colab. This is the tool where we'll be working with Gemini AI. So, in the search box, type Google Colab and hit enter. You'll be presented with a list of search results. Now, take a moment to scan through the list for the official Google Colab website. Once you spot it, give it a click. This will direct you to the Google Colab homepage, where we can access the tools we need. On the Google Colab page, you'll need to locate the Gemini button, which is typically positioned toward the lower middle section of the screen. This button is essential as it will allow you to access the features of Gemini AI. A quick tip here is to make sure you're logged into your Google account, as you may be prompted to log in if you haven't done so already. This will ensure that all features are fully accessible. With the Gemini button now clicked, you'll find a variety of prompts available to you. These prompts are preset tasks that can help you get started quickly with Gemini AI chat. To explore this, go ahead and click on any prompt that catches your interest or seems relevant to what you want to try. These can be simple or complex tasks, but they're great for seeing how Gemini AI processes and responds. After selecting a prompt, it might take a moment for the results to display. This is perfectly normal, as the system processes the information thoroughly. During this time, it's important to be patient. The speed here can vary based on the complexity of the prompt and your internet connection. If you find yourself waiting longer than expected, take a deep breath and know that the system is working efficiently in the background. Once the processing is complete, you'll be able to see the results. Scroll through the displayed information, analyze the output to see if it matches your expectations, or if there's anything interesting that Gemini AI managed to present. Exploring these results can provide you with insights into the capabilities and potential applications of using Gemini AI chat within Google Colab. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated from the Google homepage to using Gemini AI chat in Google Colab. I hope this tutorial was helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment. Until next time, happy experimenting with AI.